An ample 4/2 inches of medium firm polyurethane foam supports a 1/2 inch layer of spongy soft memory foam for an ideal balance between a supple body support and rich softness to send even light sleepers into dreamland without clunky springs or bed frames that creak. Perfect for an unexpected sleepover guest. Camping and traveling. Wherever you go and whatever you do, use the Milliard Tri-Fold Mattress for the sleep you love. For almost a decade, customers have favored the comfort and reliability of Milliard products as a brand they can trust. Our design has you in mind, so you know your mattress is just right the first time. Every time. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The Milliard Memory Foam Tri-Fold Mattress allows you to get a comfortable night's sleep wherever you go. Simply unfold the foam bed on the floor in any room, mobile home, or tent for a comfortable night's sleep. This bed easily accommodates all your sleeping needs, then folds neatly away for storage in seconds. Number 2. Memory foam is known for its therapeutic qualities and comfortable support. The Milliard Tri-Fold Mattress is ventilated for airflow to help regulate sleep temperature for maximum support and comfort. Available in twin, full, and queen size. Number 3. The Milliard Memory Foam Tri-Fold Mattress is the ideal solution to temporary sleeping accommodations. Perfect for unexpected sleepover guests, family reunions, dorm rooms, camping, and traveling. Number 4. The Milliard 6 inches. The Tri-Fold Mattress is constructed of a layer of 3 pounds luxurious memory foam over a supportive foam base for a great sleep experience. Our certified premium memory foam supersedes all with superior high-density construction that will not lose its shape. Number 5. The mattress includes a removable jacquard ultra-soft bamboo cover with anti-slip bottom. Mattress in flat position measures 75 by 31 by 6 inches. When folded, it measures 31 by 25 by 18 inches. Number 6. Good to know, your mattress will arrive rolled up and vacuum sealed in a relatively small box. Unroll and lay completely flat. Please allow up to 96 hours for it to fully decompress. The decompression process may take quicker in warm weather, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.